Hi guys! Today we're gonna be making 3 different mug cakes. Cookie mug cake, mozzarella mug cake, and brownies mug cake. These are perfect for the holidays. Now let's start with our cookie mug cake. I'm just using a small mug in here, so you can use whatever you have in your kitchen. First, we're gonna add 1 1/2 tablespoon of butter. And then we're gonna add the 3 tablespoons of milk. Make sure it's warm and not cold. Then 1 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Four tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Guys, baking powder, not baking soda. I cannot emphasize that enough. So we're just gonna mix all the ingredients together. You have to make sure that you're mixing it well so there will be no lumps. Mix it vigorously, like I do. And then we're gonna add the chocolate. I'm just using a dark chocolate. And then I chop it off. If you don't have it, then you can use chocolate chips. So this is how easy for our cookie mug cake. Now let's move on with our mozzarella mug cake. This is pretty similar with our cookie mug cake. First, we're gonna add 1 1/2 tablespoon of butter, the 3 tablespoons of milk, the 1 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and then a teaspoon of vanilla, the 4 tablespoon all-purpose flour, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Again, we're gonna mix this nicely until there will be less to no lump in our mixture. And then we're gonna add our 2 1/2 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese. This is super cheesy, guys, and super delicious. Mix the mozzarella in our mixture, and that's it. This is our mozzarella mug cake mixture. Pretty easy. Finally, let's move on to our last mug cake, the brownie mug cake. First, we're gonna add the 1 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then with other recipes, we just had 3 tablespoons of milk. Now in this brownie, we're gonna have 4 tablespoons of milk, warm milk. And then 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then again, we're just gonna mix all the ingredients together. I forgot to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, so we're adding it right now. Now I'm just mixing all the ingredients together, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and then 1 1/2 tablespoon of chocolates. You have to add this last part, guys, because these are the main ingredients to make this brownie butter very chocolatey. And then you just have to mix all the ingredients pretty well and make sure that there will be no lumps again. So this is our brownie mug cake mixture. Now you have to make sure that you set your microwave into high. After 1 minute in the microwave, this is how our mug cakes look like. Make sure that it's 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. For our cookie mug cake, I just added some crushed cookie on top for it to be more pleasing on the eyes. And look at this, guys. It's so yummy. Hope you can try this out. And for our brownie mug cake, I just added a melted chocolate on top. For our mozzarella mug cake, of course, I added some shredded mozzarella on top. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.